Ready yet?
No?
Fine. Ready yet?
No.
A few moments later.
Betty.
Bye, Leia. Bye, Maggie. What's up, everyone? Today we are on the way to North Cascades National Park. But first,
Red Bulls. Now, they might not be the healthiest thing in the world, but we are dead and we need energy stat.
we're gonna do 2 blood orange sugar-free Red Bulls.
Yes. Red Bulls for life.
Thank you.
So Nick is taking me to a place that he thinks would be really cute, or at least that I'm gonna like. And apparently I'm going to, what the heck is this? Is it a little tiny church? Oh my God, it's a baby little church. Oh, look at it. It's so cute. It's a little baby one. Get out here. Oh my gosh, we can go inside. Oh. It's so cute.
Well, we're here at Washington Pass Overlook, and it's closed, so let's see how far we have to hike.
It says road closed.
Overlook, approximately 1 mile.
Single lane plow, no parking due to snow cover. The next destination, and we still have
Back to Diablo Lake.
Okay, yep, back to Diablo Lake. That's where we're going.
All right, we finally made it to the main attraction of the trip, the place I've been dying to go to, Diablo Lake. Well, we made it to the prime spot in the overlook, which is not near the gated stuff over there. So you actually go from the parking lot, you go through a trail in the middle of the bathrooms, and then you come to this. Alright, well that wraps up the trip. I would say that one went way better than any of our others.
It's pretty successful.
It was kind of a shorter vlog, kind of only went to 2 mini little places, and there isn't much to do at those 2 little places, but they're both very gorgeous.
Yeah. Until next time.
Oh, and one more thing. hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, hit the like button, and see you in the next video.